Hi, I'm Tanya Grimes, Main Street Manager for Downtown Bedford, and our organization is used as a catalyst to launch a lot of things. We focus in on businesses and helping them to make great connections. All of our event schedule, we have a heavy programming event schedule and activities that we do throughout our downtown. That all adds to the quality of life of the people who are in this area. Volunteers are what drives the bus of what we call DBI, Downtown Bedford Incorporated. Without our volunteers, we can't do anything. We have a lot of partners throughout the year. We cannot do these events and all this great stuff to add to the quality of life of people in our area without our business sponsorships. And so we have businesses that partner with us. We're a 501c3 nonprofit, so we rely very heavily on the financial contributions and sponsorships with our businesses who say, hey, we love what DBI is doing, we love the mission, and we want to partner with you. So if you want to be a part of what we're doing, these exciting things that we're doing here at Downtown Bedford Incorporated, please reach out, make contact with us, step in our office. We're located on 124 South Juliana Street. Check out our website, downtownbedford.com. We're very active on Facebook, so look us up, Downtown Bedford Incorporated.